I know the time that I was loving you. You were busy loving yourself.
Sucker niggas slid through, tell me who they shooting at. Ain't no running, no ducking, boy, we shooting back. Hard beat the chopper, wishing I can bring my shooter back. Been with the shit, but you bitch niggas new to that. Ain't no rapping ass nigga, boy, I smack shit. Ask Lil Brody, he'll tell you how I gas shit. Broad daylight, parking niggas at the red light. Cut my hoes off, cause I'm tryna get my bread right. Rollie on my wrist, make your bitch wanna fuck. 50 bands up, cause the plug show me love. They kicked me out of school, cause I'm a motherfucking thug. All I did was fuck hoes, hit the store and sell drugs. And why these niggas faking like they know me? Why you faking on the ground like you got it when you owe me? Where that? And why you pillow talking to a bitch? You let me fuck the same night. Man, that bitch ain't shit, it's really real, nigga. I'm really in the field, nigga. Speaking on my gang like you with it, get you killed, nigga. Ill niggas. Got kush, got pills, nigga. I'd rather hang with a bitch cause I don't feel niggas. Can't trust my niggas cause they hate me. Put some niggas on, then them niggas started faking. When I see them all gas, no braking. Just blame me, I'ma shoot no hesitation. When a thug cry. When a thug cry. Crying on a late night, low on my cake. Thinking about my brother, why he died that way. They stabbed him in the heart, he couldn't breathe, he ain't make it. Wishing I was there, cause I probably could've saved him. Realest nigga I know, always had a nigga back. When the sucker slid on me, my brother slid back. Got me everything he had, down to his last. Wasn't tripping on shit, still hit me with a bag. Couple niggas on my circle playing sides, but it's cool. Can't trust my own niggas, so I'm more with a tool. Tryna backdoor me, be a motherfucking fool. Just cause you the homie don't mean I won't shoot. How you rob your own nigga? How you fuck your nigga bitch? How you fucking with the suckers? Why you rhyme with a snitch? Man, these niggas ain't shit, they be sucking hella dick. Suckers clicking up with suckers cause we on them niggas shit. And can't nobody save you, nigga. How you go against the king when I made you, nigga? And can't nobody save you, nigga. How you go against the king when I made you, nigga? Can't trust my niggas cause they hate me. Put some niggas on, then them niggas started faking. When I see them all gas, no braking. Just blame me, I'ma shoot no hesitation. When a thug cry.